Hurricane Ida has made landfall in Port Fourchon with sustained wind speeds of 150 miles an hour.
We lost power. We had some buildings collapse. Stay where you are.
Hurricane Ida rapidly intensified to a Category 4, making it one of the strongest storms in Louisiana's history.
If you have evacuated, now is not the time to return. We're responding to this disaster.
All right, hey, load up.
Load up?
Yep. You ready to go work?
Always, man.
Looks like we've got a pile of to do. Woo! So it's about 3 a.m. We've been up since about 2. We're headed to a little town called Lafitte. It's just north of where the storm made landfall, so it's one of the hardest hit areas. There are thousands right now without power and probably will be for the next several days.
At around 3 o'clock this morning, as soon as the weather allowed, we started moving search and rescue assets, people, boats, trucks, to the affected parishes.
Man, that place got messed up. My name's Sergeant Leroy Tarver. I'm out of Region 2. We've just landed in La Plaza and we're here to do search and rescue. People are asking for some help. Nobody can communicate very well. It's a disaster area. La Plaza got hit pretty hard. Get detailed with a certain neighborhood to go to with some addresses where people call for help, start making contact with the community. We go get them and bring them to a safe area. One of the main towers got knocked out and there's no reception whatsoever. Our maps doesn't work on our iPads, maps doesn't work on our phones. You know, the aggravating part is the communication. That's the problem that we have right now is we have no comms. It's horrible. We're headed to one of the hardest hit neighborhoods in La Plaza, and we're gonna go block by block until the entire neighborhood is cleared.
Y'all two follow me, get ready.
We have a family trapped in their home. They have some elderly parents that apparently have some health issues. They don't have any air conditioning, it's 94 degrees out. We're gonna see if we can get in there and get them evacuated. That Moss Drive ought to be right on the other side of those houses. You know, the aggravating part is the shallow water. When it gets so shallow, you can't go anymore. It pains me for my prop to hit the asphalt because I know what it's doing. Push it back over there in that corner. It'll take a lot longer to reach people if we have to walk. Hey, ma'am, Moss Drive, that's right out your back door right there, isn't it?
It may be, I don't know.
That's the next road right behind you, isn't it? You think? I've got a picture of a map. That's what I'm going off of. Ma'am, we're gonna cut through your yard if you don't mind. Here we go. Oh yeah, I can get across. I just got to dump water out, lighten the load. Let's get them nails. We need to find some people. Is this Moss Drive, man? Yeah, man, how you doing?
Long
What's your name, ma'am?
I don't even know my name anymore.
Yeah.
And if you'd see the inside of my house.
I'm gonna get the boat and bring it around. Y'all go ahead and get your stuff ready. We'll be right back. I'm gonna bring my boat around. Due to the shallow water, I'm gonna have to walk it in. Hey, man.
I'm looking for y'all. You tell me y'all need help.
Yeah. If you don't mind, I'm gonna hook my boat to you.
Okay.
We're gonna ease around here to this other road, off road. I appreciate you.
All right.
One of the members of the community lives in the neighborhood, and he just wanted to get out and help. No, man, you cool. In times of need, a lot of times people really, they show their true colors and they band together. How you doing, ma'am? It appears the water came up too fast and they weren't able to leave the house. They've been without power now for about 8 hours. We're gonna sit your purse over here on the ground. This excessive heat is a bad situation for everybody, especially the elderly. There you go.
Thank you.
Y'all ready?
Yeah. You got a bottle of vodka?
I do got some water, but I'm fresh out of vodka.
I got water.
You got it, ma'am?
Come on, baby.
Man, I sure appreciate your help. Thank you, brother.
Thank
We'll
you.
see you on back out. We need to get them out of the neighborhood into dry land so they can be safely picked up.
So Hurricane Ida's passed. The search and rescue's been carried out. Now the mission switches from search and rescue to rebuilding. How much toilet paper y'all got? You think people are gonna be needing that?
Yeah. We have all the toilet paper and diapers you could ask for.
We have a supply depot here. They have everything out here from water to dog food, diapers, orange juice, anything that anybody might need, they have. Can we take a Gatorade, a thing of Gatorade? Louisianians, we come together, we help each other out in times of need. There have been many devastating hurricanes and disasters, and anytime that happens, there's just an outpouring of support from everybody all over the state, just coming down and doing what they can to help.
Appreciate it.
Appreciate it.
Hey, thank you so much.
You got some more mouths to feed, don't you? How about it, boys? What's up, my man? You need any more water or MREs while we're here?
Yes.
Man, pick through here and get you a few things out of here.
There you go. You sit them in the house for all the kitty cats and the cats. Just give them one at a time. Save the rest for the next couple of days. I see y'all got a bunch of kittens in there. Hey. Yeah, I'll race you. Where you want to race to? Which one? How about we race to that tire right there? You say go. You barely got that one. You barely won. I'm gonna beat you on the way back. You cheating. Come on. Well, come back. You ready? Go.
Man,
Oh, you barely got that one.
and he's supposed to be fast, and you beat him.
Right, we thank y'all so much.
Take it easy,
Hey,
buddy.
people, I tell y'all, these people right here, y'all wonderful. Y'all saving the world, y'all saving us. I promise y'all,
We're trying to do what we can.
Right.
We'll see you.
Man, yes.
Take it easy.
Right, we thank you.
Louisiana is a special place. We take pride in being here and being from here. Bye-bye.